Hello guys, welcome to our factory. We are Fupower, a professional manufacturer in the exhaust system. We provide exhaust pipes, air shaft pipes, and components. We also provide the turbo pipes. If you have any needs, please contact us. This part is our Pre-welding. We use a special gas to protect the welding place, make sure the welding place to get a very perfect welding. This is our sample room. This part is our titanium pipe cards. We have different kinds of colors for the titanium pipe cards: gold, purple, polish, and blue. This part is our components of the exhaust system. We have different kinds of components. For example, we have flex pipe, we have waves, and flange, and so on. And we also have different kinds of muffler. Here is our muffler parts. These here are our other samples. Normal exhaust tips, teardrop exhaust tips. And here is our stainless steel exhaust system, exhaust pipes. This is our titanium exhaust pipes.